Hello, Moto.
Filming horizontally? What an unprofessional decision. Or maybe not, because with the latest Moto, you can film whatever you like, even upside down. The technology came from the action cams, and it called horizon lock. It means that the gyro inside the product, camera, will keep your footage level. How crazy is that? And this technology coming to the smartphones, and let's hope in time it will update the resolution and the frame rate. Face recognition is updated, and now we can recognize a lot of people at the same time, and also a dedicated macro button for that macro footage, photo and video. In 4K 60 frames per second with a great video stabilization and amazing macro. That macro is amazing. Also vlogging style. This is a very awesome camera with such a wide angle and beautiful macro. Also with the front facing camera, which is extremely wide, great for vlogging. You can show all kinds of stuff, and autofocus is available. Wow! Now that is probably the best front-facing camera at the moment in the market. Wow! It will overexpose the sky, of course. They all do, because they want to brighten up your face. But that's okay. It's okay. You won't find such a wide angle in the iPhone. 125 watt charger in a box will charge 4500 mAh battery in 15 minutes. That is really good. Battery life is decent, like any other smartphone. It all depends how you're using those. Well, I'm using a lot of camera. By the way, the camera, if you want a deeper look to the camera app, I made a separate video for you. And in the next video, we're going to compare cameras with a Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. They both fantastic looking devices. Really nice. Which one is better? It all depends. See you next video. Bye. Oh, I forgot to mention, there's a huge discount
on such a Motorola in the description, and I also have a discount code for you. So why not? Why not have a beautiful Moto?
Hello, Moto.